This bright maverick filmmaker who looks so shant that you don't know what the hell must be going on in that head, because he looks like ये बिल्कुल एकदम इनकी जो पर्सनैलिटी ऐसा लगता है कि ये मक्खी भी नहीं मार पाएंगे, लेकिन ये पिक्चर बना रखी है इनके जहन में, ख्याल में ऐसे ऐसे ख्याल आते हैं, खून भरे ख्याल. So I would say that was itself something that blew my mind, because I saw the contrast. He gave me such a zen narration of this manic bloodbath, and I was like, भगवान बचाओ, ये picture धर्मा production ने तो कभी नहीं बनाई. I think we haven't made something this bloody ever. But I was just bowled over by his narration, his conviction, and his passion in which he narrated it. Guneet has been a dear friend, and we've made a collaborated on a totally different film. Lunchbox is probably the opposite of King. It's full of love and just subtle nuanced moments. But I remember that day, and it was something that I will always remember. And the fact that this film, and I have to thank Apurva, who allowed me to actually say, let's go ahead, let's make this ambitious film on a first-time actor. Who is, I'm going to say it loud, an outsider. Because my father once said, if you don't, it's your trumpet. If you don't blow it, who else will? So I'm just in his Nakshat Kadam, I'm kind of taking things forward. I've heard a lot and I've endured it also over the years, but I want to say that the biggest film that we have mounted on one newcomer has been Kill, and we are very excited and proud because we saw the passion in him, we saw the immense hard work that he was going to put in, and so we're very proud of you, Laksh. You're here. So, and I'm going to call all of you together, but I just wanted to say that we're very excited to have actually taken this big step. And at that time, it was really because this film wasn't funded by any other studio. It was entirely backed by Dharma Productions, and we decided that we must take this leap because we would love if the industry got one potential movie star. We say potential because we are with folded hands hoping and praying that the best outcome happens on the 5th of July. We then had the most unusual antagonist casting. I've known Raghav since his foray with reality television. For people who have known my career, I've probably spent more hours on a reality show set than I have on a film set. But I've always seen him kind of lead the way with such finesse. And then for him to play this, which is so against what he has done on television and on screen, it was a massive, and kudos to actually Nikhil, who actually really supported the vision to cast Raghav in such an against his own image casting. And we, of course, needed an absolute beauty with immense vulnerability. And I loved everything that Tanya had done in Suitable Boy and everything she's done subsequently. And we just thought that this would be the perfect, I'm going to call it a triangle, though when you see the film, it's certainly not. But hi, Umar, how are you? Long time. So I'm really happy and I'm very proud. Both Guneet and I, and Apurva and Achin and Nikhil and Anil, all of us on this platform are very proud to introduce to you the cast of Kill. Laksh, Raghav, and Tanya.
So I know we have a lot of questions, लेकिन उससे पहले Laksh, quickly, इंडस्ट्री में जो आना चाहता है उसका लक्ष्य होता है धर्मा, और यहाँ पे आते ही the ball is out of the park. You're working with Karan Johar, you're working with Guneet Moga, and this amazing crew here. What do you have to say?
Firstly, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. I've expressed my gratitude to both of them in person as well. My legs are still trembling, sorry. I'm still a little nervous to see so many people. Or the trailer.
क्या बात है, बच्चा भी किल
देखने काफी enjoy किया है इसमें. But it's been 9 साल हो गए मेरे को बॉम्बे आए हुए, और मेरा सपना था कि एक दिन फिल्म स्टार बनूंगा और धर्मा के साथ बनूंगा. तो 9 साल लग गए उस चीज को होते होते, लेकिन वो एक दिन आ ही गया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू Karan sir, Apurva sir, and the whole of Dharma for always standing by me, always supporting me. I've had quite a journey in Dharma itself. So throughout they were with me, and also like Guneet ma'am, back in when Lunchbox came out for the first time, मैंने उनको DM किया था Instagram के ऊपर, मुझे याद है अच्छे से, कि मैम अगर हो सके तो कुछ मौका मिलेगा तो मैं काम करना चाहूँगा आपके साथ एक ना एक दिन, because it was such a fantastic film that these guys made. उसके बाद it all happened यार, सब कुछ हो गया, अच्छा हो गया, और शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लाने की, लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ कुछ. शुक्रगुजार हूँ ऊपर वाले का, शुक्रगुजार हूँ सब हमारे भी लोगों का, बड़े बड़े लोगों का। और निखिल सर, ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन वी मेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, हमारी जब पहली बार नरेशन हुई थी इस फिल्म को लेकर, तो मेरा पहला सवाल यही था कि सर इसकी शुरुआत हम कब कर सकते हैं। और मैंने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा कि ये फिल्म में क्या है, कब है। मैंने पूछा कि मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ ना, हम ये कर रहे हैं ना। कह रहा वो बाद में देखेंगे, भी बात की बात है। सो रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, और बस यही बोल सकता हूँ।
करण सर बहुत अच्छा करते हैं जब वो बोलते हैं आप, तो मैं कह देता हूं उनके बिहाफ पे, वेलकम टू द मूवीज। गिव इट अप फॉर लक्ष्य, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। Tanya, this one's for you. You know, working with this team, of course, the dream team. आपके कुछ सवाल थे जो पूछे थे डायरेक्टर साहब से या इस टीम से?
No, not really, because I remember auditioning for the part, and उसके बाद जब मैंने script पढ़ी थी, I was like, what is this madness?
Right.
And immediately after reading the script, I was like, okay, when are we starting? So it was that. So not really any questions, but just very, very thankful to the entire team for making me a part of it.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
I have to
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that the entire action was written in the script.
Yeah.
So it's not like ऐसे हो जाएगा वो करेंगे, because I think Nikhil went into this detailed journey of एक ट्रेन के कंपार्टमेंट में आप एक 100 मिनट की पिक्चर and उतना action, how to make that happen. So the entire action was written, and of course the collaboration with Mr. O took the choreography to another level, which is now become a global action film. But it was an incredible script for all of us to also read, because of the action that was imagined and written and used in that compact space. That was a huge challenge.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Raghav, this one's for you. Talk to us about this team and this entire experience. और राक्षस को क्या मतलब फील ही आ गया वहाँ पे?
बात तो वैसे सही है। यार मैं तो बैक डांसर बनने आया था यहाँ, तो मेरा तो सब बोनस ही बोनस चल रहा है इस वक्त देखा जाए तो। मैं आया था ट्रेन पकड़ के, मेरे को 13 साल हो गए मुझे भी। सर ने बोला कि मुझे काफी वक्त से सर जानते हैं। अच्छा, मतलब मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म क्या? तो मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म हुआ है क्योंकि आप मुझे जानते हैं। नहीं, बट यस, मुझे मेरे लिए यार, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मैं एज एन एक्टर अपने आप को लोगों को दिखा सकूं, बता सकूं कि मैं भी हूँ और एक्ट कर सकता हूँ। हालांकि मैंने डांस भी किया, कोरियोग्राफ भी किया, होस्ट भी किया। अब ये नया अनुभव है, ये बस एक अनुभव ऐसा भी। एंजॉयिंग दिस प्रोसेस, ये फ्लो में हूँ अभी मैं। एंड थैंक यू सर, एंड थैंक यू पुनीत कि एंड सर की, आपने निखिल सर की मुझे भरोसा किया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, और सिर्फ डांस और होस्टिंग और इन सब के अलावा एक्टिंग भी कर सकता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। बस यार यही है।
Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां राघव के लिए, ladies and gentlemen। लेकिन सर मेरे पास सवाल बड़े सारे हैं, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ पे मौका दे देता हूँ सबको, because they want to ask you a lot of things about Kill and of course this entire team. So yes, over to you. कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला सवाल? जी।
आवेश क्या है? आवेश पूछेगा
Hello. Hi. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
My question is to you, Lakshya. Samina, you're from Zoom. Ever since this debate has started of nepotism, और उसमें आपको एक lead role दिया गया है, and you're just the one who's killing it right now, as the movie states. Many a times, such a humongous contribution we don't see when a new phase is launched. What are your thoughts on that, and you're being launched as a newcomer?
So to begin with, as you said that outsider, I think probably on a piece of paper you can write I'm an outsider, but I never felt like an outsider in this company. As you, I'm sure you are aware of the first film that didn't work out for me, and after that also I never felt that this company or this team has ever let go of the support they showed to me from the very beginning. And so I see the amount of time and the efforts everybody has put in me, and it puts me in a little bit of position of pressure, but I mean I can do, I'm trying my best. I'm utterly grateful for what they've done for me, and I don't feel like an outsider, to be honest. I've always felt that they have got my back and they're always there. And when Kill also happened, like it just happened. I just got the script and they were like, you read this script, and when I read the script, and of course Nikhil also quite liked me for the part, and it all panned out pretty well for me. And when I think Apurva sir came for the first time to see what we were shooting, and when he saw some rushes, and he just came to me and he said, "Bless you, son." He said, "Bless you," and that's what he said. And I think we were halfway through the film when Karan sir came and watched the film, and I think Nikhil sir and I, we were standing outside the set, just like two kids waiting for the teacher to come out and tell us how we have done the exams. Cut to, I look at him and he's like, "Wow, what is this?" And Nikhil sir and I, we just hug each other and we're like, "Okay, we are home now. We have done something good." So yeah, that's about it.
Hello. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, fantastic.
जर्नी बहुत ही स्पेशल है. मुझे अभी भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि ये सब हो रहा है मेरे आसपास. इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. एज यू राइटली सेड कि टीवी में मैंने 6 साल काम किया है और बहुत कुछ सीखा है टीवी से भी. बट अल्टीमेटली गोल यही था कि एक दिन फिल्मों में आना है, फिल्म स्टार बनना है. तो आज जब ये सब मुकम्मल हो गया, ये सब मेरी आंखों के सामने हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि यार ये हो भी रहा है. मतलब somebody should come and pinch me and tell me that wake up, it's a dream. कभी भी it's not a dream. I think it's
love you Lakshya bhai.
Love you man. चलो कोई नहीं यार, प्यार से जो भी बोला वो चलेगा. बट हाँ, मैं बयान नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. अगर मैं शायद बहुत नया हूँ यार, मेरे को ये फीलिंग की आदत नहीं है. मुझे पता नहीं है कैसा महसूस होता है जब ऐसी कोई चीज़ आपके साथ हो रही होती है. आई थिंक मैं ऑलमोस्ट लाइक राइड ओवर देयर. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि अच्छा वो दिस इज हाउ इट फील्स लाइक बड़ी स्क्रीन पे. मतलब टीवी छोटी स्क्रीन से सीधा इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे इतने सारे लोगों के सामने और सब आपको काम को पसंद कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत बड़ी फीलिंग है. मेरे पास कोई पर्टिकुलर शब्द नहीं है इसको बयान करने के लिए, लेकिन बस चाहता हूँ कि ये फीलिंग चलती रहे इसके आगे से. मतलब ये कभी जाए ना मेरे अंदर से और ये बढ़ती रहे. कीप्स मल्टीप्लाइंग. सो थैंक यू.
Hi Karan. What's your Karan, I don't know how to put this. मेरा सवाल ये है कि बहुत रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में बहुत रियलिस्टिक एक्शन लग रहा है इस फिल्म का, जैसे कि हम तमाम फिल्मों में देखते हैं. लेकिन इंडिया में और साउथ की फिल्मों में खासकर जो एक्शन होता है, दे आर ओवर डूइंग इट. लाइक जिस तरह की एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस स्पेक्टेकल वो क्रिएट करते हैं. क्या आपको लगता है कि रियलिस्टिक एक्शन को ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में? और क्या साउथ की फिल्मों में जिस तरह का एक्शन होता है ओवर द टॉप, उसकी वजह से बॉलीवुड फिल्में और हिंदी फिल्मों पे उतना प्रेशर है कि वो भी कुछ इस तरह का क्रिएट करें जिस तरह से वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, आपके सवाल के लिए शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं किसी और की फिल्म का जिक्र ना करते हुए ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ये जो हमें टिपिकली हमें एक जॉनर होता है, जो बुलाते हैं जॉनर फिल्म होते हैं. जो बहुत सारे ये फिल्में वेस्ट में बने हैं, कोरिया से बने हैं, चाइना से बने हैं. जैसे है वो ट्रेन टू बुसान है, या आपने देखा जॉन विक की जो सीरीज रही है, वो जहाँ एक्शन जो है वो भी एक आर्ट फॉर्म है. तो जब हम कहते हैं कि ये बहुत ब्लडी है, बहुत वायलेंट है, तो हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि हम वायलेंस या खून खराबा को हम बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, पर आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरह वायलेंस दर्शाया गया है इस फिल्म में, इट इज नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट. जिस तरह वो कोरियोग्राफी है एक्शन की, एकदम क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक स्पेस में, एक नैरो से ट्रेन में आपने जो कोरियोग्राफी वहां दर्शाई है, जिस तरह आपने एक्शन को कोरियोग्राफ किया है बिटवीन निखिल्स एक्सपर्टीज राइटिंग एंड मिस्टर ओज एक्सपर्टीज इन एक्शन, तो इट्स एन आर्ट फॉर्म. तो हमने कभी नहीं सोचा कि हम रियलिस्टिकली कर रहे हैं या ओवर द टॉप कर रहे हैं या किसी और को हम एम्यूलेट कर रहे हैं, कॉपी कर रहे हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. हम पहली बार हिंदुस्तान को ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि इस किस्म की जो कोरियोग्राफ आर्टिस्टिक एक्शन और वायलेंस है वो हम दिखा सकते हैं, और हम एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म आपको दिखा सकते हैं. तो यही हमारी तरफ से, यही प्रयास था हमारी तरफ से, और यही कोशिश थी कि हम कुछ ऐसा करें जो अलग हो. और बहुत सारी एक्शन फिल्में बनी हैं, बहुत सारा बजट वाला भी खर्चे वाली फिल्में बनती हैं, लेकिन जहां वाकई सोच विचार बिना कोई वीएफएक्स की आप काम करें, जहां वाकई बहुत सारा सोच जाता है उस कोरियोग्राफी में, इसी का हमने यही कोशिश की थी. और यही हमारी यही चाहत है कि जब ऑडियंसेस देखेगी तो दे विल अप्रिशिएट द वर्क दैट गोज इनटू दिस कोरियोग्राफी ऑफ एक्शन.
And if I'm not wrong, कुछ
hi, right at the center. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Hi, this is Kunal from IWM Buzz. My question is for Raghav. मैंने आई एम वन ऑफ दोज पीपल जिसने टिफ पूरी तरह से फॉलो किया था जब फिल्म हैड इट्स प्रीमियर एंड द रिव्यूज वर कमिंग इन and there were multiple reviews which were talking about how Raghav has killed it, so to speak, because I mean you know how they were talking about he's so good and everything. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि सब आप हंसाते हैं, you have this, it's very inherent to you, it's very natural to you, लेकिन जब आप इस तरह की चीज़ें करते हैं और उसको इतने रिव्यूज मिलते हैं, अंदर से ये फील होता है कि नहीं भाई अब मैं हंसा सकता हूँ, मैं डरा भी सकता हूँ, एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ लाइट यू वांट टू शो टू अदर डायरेक्टर्स, नॉट जस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्सेटैलिटी बट टू शो कि नहीं भाई मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ, और दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ मोमेंट यू वेट फॉर.
यस. मतलब ये है कि यार स्टीरियोटाइप से बहुत बचते रहता हूँ मैं लाइफ में, मेरी बड़ी, और मैं आज मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाता हूँ किसी भी चीज़. मुझे मतलब ऐसा है कि मैं अगर एक चीज़ कर रहा हूँ और जैसे मैंने डांस किया, बहुत स्टेज किया हर, तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मोनोटोनस कुछ चीज़ हो जाती है जब, तो मैं हट जाता हूँ उस चीज़ से. मेरी आदत है, पता नहीं बुरी आदत है कि सही आदत है, बट उस वजह से मुझे ये है कि मैं अलग अलग चीज़ें और अलग अलग रिस्क ले सकता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में. मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं नए नए रिस्क लूँ, सोशल, क्रिएटिव, फिजिकल, हर टाइप के. इसीलिए मैं कुछ नई नई डिस्कवरीज होती रहती है, और मैं ये कोशिश करूँगा कि अब मैं ऑब्वियसली कॉमेडी, आई हैव सीन मी डूइंग कॉमेडी, यस, अब मैं विलन बन रहा हूँ तो वो भी बखूबी निभाऊँ. और बिल्कुल मैं बाकी डायरेक्टर्स को भी कहना चाहूँगा मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. मैं राम बन सकता हूँ, रावण बन सकता हूँ, पत्थर बन सकता हूँ जो तैरता है, हर चीज कर सकता हूँ. आई एम रेडी फॉर लाइक एवरीथिंग. ओके, thank you.
Hi guys, this is in front, right? Yeah, Rohit from Bollywood Hungama. My question is to Karan and Apurva. What gave you the confidence to release this as a theatrical? It's a great one to release in the theaters. One, because you all also direct on OTT also, and also to the director. If this was direct on OTT, would you put more violence and more scenes? And what was the reaction of the censor board?
I think I've poured everything in it. So वो अभी OTT में जाता है या theater main scenes? I think it's the same.
No, I actually just wanted to add here. When Nikhil started this journey, the first thing he said was कि बहुत सारी action films बनती हैं, पर हम एक emotional action film बनाएंगे. And somewhere, Komal sir picked it up today, and he just said that little bit. But that was actually हमारा ambition to root the emotions so deep that you go on a journey with us, because you don't leave the train on this film, so you have to be on this journey, the reasons for that. So this is an emotional action film from our language. Rest, of course, the audience will tell us.
Yeah, I just want to add here. I feel action is just a byproduct of emotion. So if it is rooted, the story is rooted in emotion, then we are all quite safe.
Right.
So I have to say that we kept planning that, listen, you have to plan out if there are cuts and how we do that scene, you make the blood less, you will do that. So those conversations that are all being preempted in the very intense scenes. But I think the censor board really saw the film for what it was. I think they loved the emotional strength of the film, and we didn't have any cuts at all. They said the film is good to go the way it is. So it's really a huge validation for the incredible writing by Nikhil and the direction done by him, that it really sucked everyone to, it sucked them in so well that the film brought over and above everything else.
And yeah, exactly, and I endorse exactly what Apurva said. Full respect to the censor board who saw the film as a genre film. There was literally one or two very minor, which weren't even cuts, they were more visual alterations. Which we don't want to reveal right now, but there was literally no cut, and I think they really respected the fact that the intent was not to glorify, was certainly not to kind of just titillate and shock, but to tell an absolutely volatile, emotional, violent story. That was violent not because of just the blood, but the inherent nature of the characters and the antagonists and where they, how they operate emotionally from, and therefore the retaliation of the protagonist. So it was really very thought through, and I think that, as I said, I walked out completely blown when we got no cut, and so glad that our country can experience this film the way the West already has.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to add here something that you said about theatrical and OTT, because we played at Toronto, and I just want to share what happened there, because this film is an experience. This is not about this film is a journey, it's an experience for everybody, so it needed to be a theatrical experience, and we always wanted to do that. And bringing films on cinema is, of course, a huge feat and a huge step ahead. But what happened in Toronto was also surreal and magical. We were at the midnight section that started at 12 in the night. So रात को 12 बजे हमारा premiere start हुआ था, and we were programmed for a midnight section where genre films program. And towards it, there is a certain point in the film जहाँ वो 2000 लोग in the theater started screaming the name of the film back to the screen. They started screaming, "Kill!" Imagine 2,000 people, you know. So literally, the film, people were sucked in with the emotion, and they were, with it. And that moment, we knew that this is what we all intended to do as a theatrical experience. The value of community watching. So Kill today is a worldwide theatrical film. Not only just in India. We started our presentation with where Karan did share that in US it's more than 1,000 cinemas. On 4th of July, which is their biggest weekend, and 5th of July it's coming to India with Anil sir. So today we stand here to bring to you a global theatrical movie.
Thank you. Guneet, stay. This is Vinamra from First Post. So you brought the Oscars to India for The Elephant Whisperers, and the kind of response Kill has brought globally. Would you like history to kill it again?
Absolutely. I mean, see, this is a genre film. So this comes in the league of Raid and Old Boy and Train to Busan. I mean, I'm only building a huge list. But that was the ambition. So एक genre film यहाँ पर ऐसे कभी हुई नहीं है. So we do action and we do so many things. But like Karan said, that this is an art. To hold people for that long in a cinema, on a journey. So. The ambition of this is a worldwide release, a worldwide box office release. We can never plan awards. We can never plan the final result. अभी हमें नहीं पता. We are in front of you releasing our trailer. But आगे जो लिखा, हमारा काम मेहनत करने का है. रहमत का काम किसी और के हाथ पर है. तो वो ऑस्कर रहमत ही था. बस पूरी शिद्दत से मेहनत करते हैं और करते रहते हैं. I'm actually Achin and I both at Sikhya are very, very, very grateful to Apurva and Karan from Dharma because this is a vision to buy in. Action is not like it's not drama. It's a big budget. It's high stakes. So to be on this journey, to have like this incredible support. And then to go to Toronto, and then to to do what we did, and then to land a Lionsgate deal. This is the first Indian film to have this journey. We have around 25 distributors around the world. So we've sold Azerbaijan to Japan to Australia to every little territory. So this is the first time that something like this is happening. Got an all-Indian film. Even Lunchbox was a co-production with the best. It happened a little bit at Lunchbox, but here it is. Being treated as like a 10x of that. So we're very, very excited with what comes ahead of us globally. हर territory में अलग-अलग date पे release हो रहा है. हर territory के अलग-अलग experience होगा, उनके reviews होंगे, उनके distributors वहाँ पे screenings चल रही है, वहाँ पे आज trailer launch at the same time हो रहा है. LA and this. Even when you see our trailers, there's a trailer on Dharma Productions YouTube, and then there's a trailer on Lionsgate YouTube. And that is quite a feat for us. So there is the same जो our anchor said that कि आपका हमारा जो teaser आया था आपका बहुत मंगलमय रहे. The same thing is in English in the Lionsgate YouTube channel if you see. So each version has so this is the first time one is doing this with a film with a new cast and because the hero of this film is what everybody has been able to do together. So it's really on to you guys now to experience it.
Kim, what prompted you to do this?
So I think as a production house, you always you believe in you believe in putting out different kind of content and entertaining diverse audiences. Action films, as you all know, are growing in popularity, and especially with the masses, right from top north to bottom south. So for us, Kill really was this big opportunity, and thank you, Puneet and Arjun and everyone at Sikhya for bringing this script to us. Really, it was a huge opportunity for us to take this genre to an entirely new level, and I have to add that we're extremely proud of what we made because I don't think anybody's made something like this before, and it's and right from the performance by the actors Laksh, Raghav, Tanya to the nail-biting action, it is a bloody good ride. So yeah, please enjoy in the theaters, and we are really excited about this one.
I will just add here saying that Dharma is a company that believes in people. So they put a lot of faith in double down on people. So this is a testimony of that. All of us are here because they believed in each one of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we take 2 more questions, right?
Karan sir, this side. Karan sir, yeah. You are right. सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है, अभी आपने टाइट स्लैब की बात की, तो फटक से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनौत वाला इंसिडेंट है वो याद आ गया, तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन है?
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
Thank you.
Hi Karan, this question is for Nikhil and Karan. Yes. Abira from NDTV. Nikhil and Karan, both of you, what did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because we have so many actors today. What was that one thing that you were convinced that he is the one for Kill?
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, you know, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, you know, and done like literally a 5-minute like narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I've just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers where it was Ayan Mukherjee, or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was, you know, it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately, like in 2 minutes, I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. I hadn't seen anything. I literally saw that 2.5 minute audition. And on that 2.5 minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. And I remember feeling that instinct when I even auditioned Alia. It was literally when we auditioned her in 2011, when we were casting for Student of the Year. Again, I met her, it was a meeting. In 2 minutes, I knew I'm going to cast in Student of the Year. That audition was just a formality because I'd already spent time chatting with her. I hadn't met Laksh. And literally, we shot her that evening, and it was the same thing. It was just from your heart, there comes an inner voice that tells you, yes, this is it. And that's exactly what happened with Laksh.
मैं भी लक्ष्य के लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगा अभी. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, बहुत सालों से एक्शन देखते आया हूँ और हमारे बहुत फिजिकली एक्शन होता है हर जगह. में कुछ टाइम से मैं फिल्म देखता हूँ, इसमें सब उछल भी जाते हैं, टांगे भी खोल देते हैं, सब होता है. बट कुछ इनर लाइफ भी ब्रिंग समथिंग पर्सनल जो आंखों में आता है. इसकी एक्शन तो मार सभी कर रहे हैं, बट बहुत समय बाद मैंने किसी का एक्शन देखा जिसमें यू आर इमोशनली कनेक्टेड टू हिम व्हाइल ही इज डूइंग द एक्शन, और वो सब आंखों में दिखता है इसकी. तो ये टैलेंट मुझे नहीं लगता, आई थिंक अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता. मैंने बिल्कुल बच्चन साहब को देखा वो करते हुए कि वो आंखों में लाते थे, बट यस मुझे यार आई लव हिम. एंड आप जब देखेंगे आप सीट पकड़ लेंगे, वो ये करता है यार, ये बहुत खतरनाक करता है यार भाई. एक्शन के मामले में तो यार यू आर और सामने वाला एक्टर की हेल्प करता है इतनी ही. अगर ये ऐसे नहीं करता तो सामने वाला भी मतलब फट हो जाता है, भूल जाता है. तो बताना पड़ता है.
Thank you, photo. Thank you.
Yeah, so when I met Laksh for the first time, so there was a certain vulnerability in him, and for Amrit was the most important thing. And like what Karan said, and even Raghav said, is that there's a certain quality in him जिसके बारे में मैं बोल सकता हूँ वो शायद नारियल है, बाहर से सख्त अंदर से मुलायम. So he's all hard from inside, and from outside, of course, you've seen what he can wonders, and the kind of dedication he has. Oh my goodness! He, for almost 8 months, we trained, and he was there on every day, and we trained for almost 5 hours to 6 hours a day. and he was there every time. And that's also the reason why what Raghav is saying, that he used to teach the rest of the cast, because he just took it in. उसने सारा मतलब मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर ओ ने जो सिखाया होगा उसमें से 75% लक्ष्मी ले लिया. So it's just phenomenal.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. अरे वाह.
मूवी जाती जितनी होनी चाहिए. So if content is the king, how much role does the writer play in making the content king?
Actually, content is king because the writer is the emperor. And it's as simple as that. The whole soul and entire structure of a film is born from a writer. If the writer is a director, then of course that's a glorious addition. But just on its own, a writer is everything. We at Dharma Productions empower our writers all the time because we believe we are nothing without them. Literally, they form the structure, the soul, and the narrative of any feature film. So, in the world of content, I would say they're not kings and queens. They're beyond that. They're emperors. They're empresses. They're empresses.
Thank you.
And it's absolutely true. Writers are the soul of the film, and this film is written and directed by Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt. So there is a kill in Nikhil's name. So I think it was destined to make kill.
You can't say.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And the on-cast cost of actors is actually burdening production and forcing other members of the film to take pay cuts. And it's a conversation that's happening across the board. As a very important stakeholder in the functioning of the industry, how do you look at this practice?
Trust me, Justin, the entourage cost is the least of our problems. It's the main remuneration of the actor that has to be looked at again. And I feel that it's very critical for all the actors to understand exactly how the times are, how the climate of our movies are, how tough and difficult it is to maneuver through making a massive motion picture or a motion picture of any magnitude and size. Because it's very difficult, because you have so many costs and then you have a P&A cost, and if the above the line cost, which is what comes from the actors, is not viable, then it becomes impossible to mount a film. So every single movie star today has to review what they are asking for, because many a time there will be certain producers that will pay that money because they want to make that film, but it will eventually really cause a lot of damage to the entire system and the ecosystem. So it is really truly not, they can take all the entourage they want, that is not the problem. While it is adding to our costs, it is not the real issue. The real issue is their mothership cost. So they have to look at that and say that there can be back-end deals, there can be percentages of profit, there can be slabs of box office as per performance-based remuneration. All that is possible, but every actor has to really look within, because a lot of them are not really in touch with reality.
Karan, this is Priyanka from Midday. Hi, Karan, this is Priyanka from Midday. Kill is one of those Dharma films which went to festivals before, of course, coming back home. Recently, of course, we had All We Imagine as Light shown at Cannes. And festivals are the biggest platforms for independent cinema. But so many of the independent filmmakers complain that there's little support back home for them. In terms of how that the mainstream industry does not back their vision or those stories because they don't consider it viable. For someone like you who backed Kill, do you feel that there needs to be that kind of support from the mainstream industry producers, especially for independent filmmakers and stories?
And I think this year has proven that there is no such thing as parallel independent mainstream. Good films. You saw how wonderfully received Lapata Ladies was. It did a certain number theatrically, but then it went on to woo, the streaming audiences with the way it performed. Similarly, we had success way back then. A film like Lunchbox did over 20 crores NBOC at a time where it was unheard of for a film like that to do that number. We have supported Kill, which is a genre film, and we at Dharma really want to kind of work with all kinds of filmmakers and tell all kinds of stories. It just has to make sense when you do the math. You have to know that it has to add up, because all of us are also inherently, we're all artists, but we're also bound by the boundaries of commerce. So we have to make sure that you can find the beautiful balance between art and commerce. And when you do that, then all of us are willing to really promote and support all artists and their creative work.
In fact, I just wanted to add here that festivals, जैसे आप जानते हैं, festival is not just like, वहाँ पर film जाएगी and you do the red carpet and come back. Festival is also the business of cinema, business of film worldwide. It happened with Lunchbox. We sold the whole world minus India. And literally in India, Lunchboxes worked because of cinema, because of the marketing, because of the positioning. We had a very wide release. This is 11 years ago. And we did 20 plus crores 11 years ago with a film like Lunchbox, जिसमें मुझे कहा जाता था कि कोई गाने नहीं है, इसको कैसे release करोगे, कैसे promote करोगे. Everything was turned around because the way Dharma promoted it, and I learned a lot in that process. Similarly, when we took Kill to Toronto, it literally played there on day one. We picked up the Audience Choice Award. We sold the whole world. We have come here with a massive recovery. So we are sitting in a very good place. So festivals is not just that piece of art that you do there. The best of the world goes to a festival. So in terms of action film to be selected in Toronto, वहीं पर ही मैंने rate देखी थी आज से 10 साल पहले, to be able to premiere in that prestigious midnight section where the best in the सिर्फ 8 फिल्में सेलेक्ट होती है पूरी दुनिया से, and then to have a day one premiere there. So we were the first film that we were not the opening film, but we were day one of Toronto, and then we picked up the Audience Choice Award, and we sold out. There was a bidding war between 7 studios in US, and Lionsgate picked up the. It was like and we have letters from distributors from Australia and everybody on how they wanted to bid, how they really wanted to bid for the film, and how we should choose them. So that is the business of festivals, which also happens, and that is what we have experienced here with Kill, which we are so proud of, and we are able to do theatrical worldwide.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Again, a huge shout out to Mr. O, who is with us here, and we're so.
अरे दादा खाली बस सेंटर थैंक यू काट आम्ही घरी जाऊ का सेंटर
Thank you so much.